Hello again. This video is part of a series to teach you the basic spreadsheet skills. In this video, you will learn how to do basic spreadsheet modelling. This is the spreadsheet that we used in an earlier video on absolute and relative cell referencing. We're going to use this to demonstrate simple modelling. As you can see, at the moment, it says in A3 we have the title number of secret agents, and in cell C3 we have the number 3. Down the bottom here we have the total of the costs for the whole mission. However, if I change this 3 say to a 4, you will notice that it is recalculated. If you get these hashtags like down here, it just means that this column is not wide enough. So just double click at the top, you see the double-headed arrow, and it will widen out to the required width. So modelling is about what-if scenarios. So in this case, we just changed the quantity of secret agents going on the mission from 3 to 4, and our total cost down here has changed, as well as all the individual costs associated with the extra person. We can always refer that back again and change it back to 3, and there is our original costs. So we know originally it was 8,400, but if we increase the amount of secret agents, it goes up to 11,200. Now you can do this on any of the numbers in the spreadsheet. So if we want to change the plane tickets so that we say that we need 3 plane tickets because they're going to drop off somewhere else in the first place, then we can change that to 3 and it will recalculate. However, we do know that most times you go there and back, so I change that back to 2. But we may need, say, extra nights. Instead of saying 7 nights in the hotel, we may need to stay 9 nights. So I change the 9 and it recalculates again, and as you can see, our cost has gone up to 12,400. As in the real life, we might actually find out that the cost of items also changes. So instead of the telephone bugs costing £15, maybe they might cost £33. Change it and it recalculates. Or the plane tickets, we have a reduction from £7.50, they go down to £6.20. So it automatically recalculates. The reason for this is because you've put calculations, formulas, in each of the cells in yellow, so that when you change something that relates to it, everything is automatically recalculated. So just to recap, modelling is about what-if scenarios. For instance, what if 5 secret agents go on the mission? What if the cost of the hotel room changes? And as you change things, this spreadsheet will recalculate. Hopefully you've learned something from this video, so give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing and hit the bell icon so you know when I next upload the next video. Thanks for watching.